In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a T account in Microsoft Excel. If you want a clean and simple way to build a T account for accounting work, Excel makes it very easy once you know which formatting tools to use. The goal is to create that familiar T shape by combining merged cells and borders, so you can clearly separate the left and right sides of the account. To begin, decide how many columns you want your T account to span. This depends on how wide you want the layout to be and how much room you need for your entries. Once you've selected those cells across the top, click Merge Cells. This creates a single wider cell, which works well as the main heading area for your T account. Merging cells at the top helps give the account a centered, organized structure and makes it easier to label later if needed. Next, with that area in place, apply a bottom border to create the main horizontal line of the T account. If your version of Excel allows it, choose a thicker border style so the line stands out clearly. This horizontal line is important because it forms the top bar of the T shape and visually separates the heading space from the transaction area below. A thicker line usually looks more professional and is easier to read, especially if you plan to print the sheet. After that, select the columns where you want the vertical part of the T account to appear. Think about whether the dividing line should come from the left side of the selected cells or the right side, depending on how you want the account centered. Then create the border by clicking left border if the line should be on the left, or right border if it should be on the right. This forms the vertical divider and completes the basic T account shape. As you do this, take a moment to check the alignment and spacing. If the T account looks too narrow or too wide, you can always adjust the column widths before or after adding the borders. Excel is flexible, so small refinements can make a big difference in readability. Once the horizontal and vertical borders are in place, your T account structure is ready. From there, you can continue formatting it to match your worksheet style, but the essential setup is complete. The key idea is simple. Merge the top cells, add a bottom border for the horizontal line, and use a left or right border to create the center divider. That's how to make a T account in Microsoft Excel in a quick, clean, and practical way.